How to change or update email account settings in Outlook for Windows. Open the Microsoft Outlook. In order to access the email account settings, click on the option File. Click on the option Settings. You can access various settings. Click on the option Accounts that you can see at top. You can access your account settings over here. Find the email account for which you want to change the settings. Click on the option Manage. You can see bunch of settings that you can change over here. You can add the account description. You can also manage your subscriptions. If you want to buy Microsoft 365, you can buy it over here. You can also access the advanced settings. Click on the option Get Started. Click on the option Apply Settings in order to apply it. Likewise, you can also remove the account from Outlook. Along with the account settings, you can also change the settings for automatic replies. Click on it. If the automatic replies is not turned on, you can turn it on. Or if you want to turn off, you can also turn it off. Your settings will be changed. Along with that, you can change the settings for signatures, categories and stories over here. So these are the bunch of settings options that you can access and change. Like this, you can change or update email account settings in Outlook for Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.